Look, I would really let's keep an eye on some of the precious metal products like gold products. AUI is one of the names that you're gonna want to keep an eye on. RKDA is starting to move on up. SLV is the ETF guys. AKTX trying to figure out which way it wants to go. RKDA is moving up higher here. CHNG, a little bit more expensive. Extremely low float. Extremely low float. Again, this is like IOTS where the spread is really wide. Maybe I'll hold off on these names. RKDA is definitely strong though, guys and gals. Now above the VWAP. I did say that this is one of the names that has potential for a bounce. Let's see if it's going to continue and extend.